Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Weeb Alliance. It's your boy, Noodle God. Today's episode will be unboxing an anime figure of a character in Neo Genesis Evangelian. He's the main antagonist, anti-villain. If you don't know what anti-villain is, it's basically a villain who has heroic traits. So it's kind of contradictory, but like it's like a heroic personality, but he's actually a villain. So just basically the opposite of an anti-hero. So his name is Nagisa, and I'm gonna be unboxing him. This is the figure. It's basically a Sega prize figure that you can get at I don't know, Sega arcade. But I bought it at Hobby Off. It's a store that's in Japan that sells like secondhand goods and it's like a thrift store. So this is the front. How it looks. I like how he's like standing on the rock. And that's the side, the back, top, and bottom. It's like Christmas, getting a bunch of plastic. Okay. Wow, this comes all assembled, all together. Which means no assembly required. It's pretty sweet. Alright, so that was easy. All I had to do was take off the box, take off the plastic. And this, it looks beautiful. Look at how big. I love the base, for one. It's like very creative. It's red, and then it has like a freaking rock that he's standing on. It's pretty cool. A lot of bases come with a standard like clear black base, or sometimes it's like clear or white, and it's just like plain. But I love when companies put some thought and they try to like be more creative in the base. So there's a base. I love the detail of the rock. And then I'm gonna show you how. Look at the color face. Pretty good. I got this figure for only 880 yen. That translates to about $7.90, $7.80. $10.80. It's pretty cheap for a figure at that price. I love his pose though. It's like, dang. Thanks for watching, everyone. This concludes the latest episode of Anime Unboxing. If you like this content and would like to see more, please like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite anime, you know, what future anime figures you'd like to see on our channel. The comments are basically just an open forum for all anime lovers who want to share their interests, their anime interests. So thanks and have a nice day. As always, stay nerdy.